love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy. This makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We value our customers new and old, and whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of your time with us. We hope to see you again soon.